So today's workshop is a culmination of discussions between Oceania Rugby, who's the regional association for the Pacific under World Rugby, and discussions with Samoa Rugby Union to develop their constitution. Oceania Rugby has asked me to be their constitutional advisor to discuss with all the Pacific Island rugby unions to revise their constitution. So the constitution has served the organisation well till now, but in order to achieve the loftier ambitions of Samoa Rugby, to be involved with the World Rugby Council, to be involved in the Olympic Games, possibly to be involved in the Super Rugby, it needs to have a more contemporary, corporate-like constitution, and to just really modernise the constitution to be more suitable for the environment in which Samoa Rugby is now participating.